There's a type of case that falls under the umbrella of personal injury law, and it's truly horrendous. It has to do with elder abuse and neglect. It's horrible to think about, and it's not fun to talk about. But our goal is to keep our loved ones safe, so we have to talk about it. I'm David McDivitt, and in this video, I'm going to explain what you should be looking for if you suspect that someone you love is the victim of elder abuse or neglect. And I'm also going to talk about what you can do if you feel that one of your loved ones is being neglected or being abused. Elder abuse and neglect can unfortunately happen anywhere, whether it's with the caretaker at the victim's own home or at a facility. With the kind of elder abuse and neglect that we see, it is usually due to a lack of staffing or corporate policies that make it difficult for the caretakers to do the right job for the patients. It's rarely that we've got a bad apple caretaker. It's usually that there are systems in place, corporate systems in place, that keep caretakers from being able to do the jobs they need to do to keep our loved ones safe. It can look like depriving the patient of food or needed medication. It can be a failure to attend to their basic needs, like taking them to the bathroom or keeping them clean. It can include not tending to their wounds or their injuries. It can look like emotional abuse and sexual abuse. It can also look like allowing injuries to happen by not providing the necessary assistance when our loved ones are trying to get around. What we see is these companies that own these facilities putting profits over people, inadequately staffing, improperly training the people who work in the facilities. The end result, our loved ones suffer. These corporations are really good at convincing family members that their loved ones will be safe. If you walked into a facility and saw just how nice it is, that's the part they want you to see. What you don't see, though, is what's happening down the hallways, in the corridors, late at night, when inadequate staffing, improper training is leading to injuries, to abuse, and to neglect. I'm not saying this to scare you. Not every facility is like this. Most caretakers truly care. But we see too often our loved ones suffering at the hands of a system that is designed to put profits over people. And if one of your loved ones is in a facility where they are being abused or neglected, it's very important that you find an attorney who specializes in this type of law, who can help advise what steps you need to take and can take in order to protect your loved ones, or to help you out if something tragic has actually already happened to one of your loved ones. If you suspect your loved one is being abused or neglected, here are some things to look for. The caretakers may tell you about some of your loved one's injuries, but some of them won't. Sometimes it's up to you to discover these things. Bed sores, broken bones, severe dehydration, significant weight loss, bruises, poor hygiene, stories that don't match up, unexplained injuries. These are things to look for that may indicate that your loved one is the victim of elder abuse and neglect. If you think your loved one has been the victim of elder abuse or neglect, what do you do next? You've probably spent a lot of time choosing the right place for your loved one, so there may be a lot of disbelief that this is happening. This can be a very scary thing to discover, and it can lead you with a lot of questions. The first thing you want to do, obviously, is protect your loved one. How do you get that conduct to stop? Document everything. Time frames, names, photos of injuries, photos of the facility, details of injuries or symptoms. And it could be that you need to get your loved one to a different facility. Sometimes that's easier said than done. And again, this is why this can be so scary and overwhelming. So it's important that you document everything, share your concerns with the facility, document those conversations that you have with the facility, and contact an attorney. They can help give you guidance on how to proceed and how to go forward. If we can arrest it soon and take care of your loved ones, that is priority number one. This is not your fault. These facilities are designed to put profits over people. It's why they understaff them and they don't adequately train. It's cheaper for them to do that. But the end result is oftentimes our loved ones suffer abuse and neglect. I hope this video has been helpful. If you've got any thoughts or concerns, you can obviously let me know in the comments or send me a DM. Thank you.